This 2020 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, slide-out, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,500 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.